Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. We're in the bathroom today because we are doing our hair. We're always doing our hair. So, do y'all see how long this hair is? This is a 30-inch. This is a 30-inch VPART wig. I don't think I ever had 30 inches before. I think I've had like 26, never 30. So this one right here is long. All I'm gonna do is figure out where we're gonna have this part at. Y'all, it's long. It don't even look that long right now because it ain't on all the way. Right here. Okay. And now I'm just gonna put the rest in the ponytail because we don't have a braid down. This is the cap. There's some clips here. There's combs on the side. There's also a strap that is not removable. So I'll see if I need to cut that out or if I can use it. And then comb in the back with adjustable straps. So I am gonna tighten the straps like always. I'm gonna put the strap on so I can see what we looking like here. Okay. And there's my ponytail, so we need to tuck our ponytail inside. Okay, ponytail is inside. And this is our V part here. So it's literally perfect. I do feel like these clips start too far back. I would love for the clip to be like here so I can clip like boom. So I'll probably have to like add a clip, or I'll probably just move the clips.
I got diamonds doing Thisxia slides in both days. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss a fight. Fucking night, I keep the water in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine.
Okay, so this is the texture of the hair, freshly washed and air dried. Let's pull it to the back. This is how long it is on me, so it goes like past my butt. I think I'm going to straighten this hair.
Sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gonna be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this like shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.